Welcome to SAT School. This is our second video on profit and loss. Now let's get started. So this is where we left on last video. If you have not watched that video, I strongly recommend to watch that first. Click the I button above and watch the video. Here we have three questions. The first one is to write the formula for finding rate of discount when discounted amount and market price are given. The second, if EMP of an article is X and discount of Y is allowed on it, what is the rate of discount? And the final, if EMP of an article is X and ASP is Y, then what is rate of discount? So here we have to find rate of discount in all three questions. The information given is different. So simply here you have to find rate of discount. You have to write formula for rate of discount when we have discount amount and mark price. Now here the mark price is given, amount is X and discount amount is Y. We have to find rate of discount in terms of X and Y. Here we have to find same rate of discount, but we have amount of MP and amount of Y. So we have to find rate of discount in terms of X and Y. The difference is here ASP is given, here discount amount is given. So let's rewind. And this is what we discussed on first video. Here to find rate of discount, we have discount amount divided by MP, which is mark price, and multiplied by 100%. So again, to find discount rate, we calculate on mark price, meaning divide by mark price to find rate of discount. Discount amount divided by mark price. So now let's solve. Here the first question is write simply the formula for discount, rate of discount, and here rate of discount is discount amount divided by mark price multiplied by 100. Now here we have to find rate of discount in terms of X and Y. So instead of this discount amount we can write Y, and instead of MP we can write X. So that's the difference. Here you can write now rate of discount is Y by X because Y is discount amount and X is EMP. If you compare these two, here this is formula for rate of discount and this is the relation in terms of X and Y. Again, discount amount here is Y and EMP is X. So rate of discount is Y by X. Now in last question we have to find same rate of discount, but here rate of discount is X minus Y. The reason is to find discount amount we subtract X and Y. If you subtract this SP from mark price, then you will get discount amount. So this is the mark price and this is selling price. Simply discount amount, as we discussed in first video, it is reduced amount from the mark price. That's why to find discount amount, then we have to subtract this Y from X, and this X is simply mark price. So all these three questions, they are asking for rate of discount, but the scenario is different. Here you have to just simply write the formula for rate of discount. Here rate of discount in terms of X and Y when discount amount and EMP are given, and here rate of discount when EMP, that's mark price, and selling price are given. Now here is practice question 4. The question is awards was bought for 3405. Now here this is the gain amount, meaning this is profit. So we have a profit and this is purchase price, that is the cost price. Now you are asked to find selling price. We have the relation for profit, where profit is equals to SP minus CP. So the given question is cost price is given, which is 3,405. The profit gain is given, which is 120. And to find profit, we have a relation where profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Again, when there is a profit, selling price is higher than cost price. Profit equals to selling price minus cost price. And we have to find selling price in this case. The question is at what price it be sold to profit 120. Now we have a profit which is 120. We have to find selling price and we have cost price. Now by simplifying, you can find the selling price, which is equals to 3,525. So the selling price of the watch is Rs 3525. Now here is practice question 5. If the selling price of a radio is 4321 and loss is 79. Now you have to find cost price of the radio. Here we have the selling price and we have the amount of loss. Now you have to find cost price of the radio. So the difference between question number 4 and 5 is we have the loss amount here and we have selling price. But here we have to find cost price. In question number 4, we have cost price, profit, and we have to find selling price. Simply, when there is a loss, we have to understand the cost price is higher than selling price. Meaning, use the formula to find the loss. We have loss equals to cost price minus selling price. We have selling price which is 4,321. We have the loss which is 79. So if you use these two amounts, then you can find simply cost price. So I want you to try this question. You can easily find cost price because we have the loss amount which is 79 and we have selling price which is this amount. So you can find easily cost price. You try this. Now here is practice question 6. The question is a watch which was bought for 100 was sold for 120. Now what will be the gain in percent? You have to find gain percent, that is profit percent. Again, this is the purchase price which is 100, meaning this is CP, that is cost price, and that was sold for 120, so this is selling price. The given here is cost price is 100 and selling price is 120. Here we have to find profit percent or gain percent. Now to find profit percent, we have a relation where profit percent is SP minus CP divided by CP multiplied by 100. As we discussed earlier in previous video, to find profit percent and loss percent, we always use cost price, meaning you have to divide by cost price to find gain percent or loss percent. So here finding gain percent, we have to find SP minus CP, then divide by CP multiply by 100. Here we have SP which is 120 and we have cost price which is 100. So simply using those values, which is 120 minus 100, selling price is 120, cost price is 100, and this is again cost price. Now if you cancel this 100 and this 100, and when you subtract these two, then we find 20%. So 20% is the gain percent in this question. Therefore gain percent is 20%. Now, what is VAT? A VAT is a tax, and that is the additional amount which is added to purchase price. So when you purchase any goods or services, any article, then there applies VAT, which is simply a tax. It is added tax when you purchase any goods or service. So that is a value added tax. A tax which is added when you buy any goods and service. So VAT is additional amount added to any purchase of goods and services. For example, if you buy a laptop, suppose the price of the laptop is 50,000. Now, when there is a VAT of 13%, you have to pay additional amount, and that additional amount is 13% of this 50,000. Again, this 50,000 is price of the laptop, which is before tax. And if 13% tax is added, then you have to pay more. Now, if 13% is VAT, then you have to calculate VAT amount, which is 13% of this 50,000. So VAT amount is 13% of 50,000. Now, which is equals to 6,500. Now, once we have the VAT amount, then we can find price including VAT, which is 50,000 plus this VAT amount. Now, which should be equals to 56,500. And this is the purchase price. Again, when there is a VAT, then you have to pay additional amount, and that additional amount is added to your purchase price. Let's rewind. So this is the, let's suppose this is a mark price of the laptop, and there is 13% VAT to this purchase price. Now, when there is VAT, you have to calculate VAT amount, which is 13% of 50,000 in this case, and this is 6,500. If you calculate 13% of 50,000, it should be 6,500. Now, the price that you have to pay including VAT will be this 50,000 and this VAT amount, which is, now here this is 50,000, which is, you can say, mark price or MP. Now, this is rate of VAT, which is 13%. It may be like 10%, 12%, whatever. For this example, we have 13%. Now, here we have next amount, which is 6,500, and this is the amount of VAT. This is VAT amount. And finally, we have this one, which is the selling price with VAT. So remember, when there is a VAT on mark price, remember these terms. Suppose this is a mark price, this is a rate of VAT, and once you have rate of VAT, you can find VAT amount, and then you can find selling price with VAT, which is 56,500 in this case. Here is practice question 7, and the question is, price of an article with 10% VAT is 1650. What is the price without VAT? Now, this amount includes VAT, which is 10%. You have to find price without VAT, meaning you have to find price before VAT, or you can say you have to find mark price. We did this type of question in example. So here we did, in this example, we calculated price including VAT, which is 56,500. But in this case, you have to find the price without VAT, meaning the price before VAT. Again, this amount includes VAT, which is 10%. Now you have to find price before VAT. So you try this question. I want you to try this, complete this challenge. This much for today. I'll see you next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification as soon as I upload my next video. I'll see you in next video. Take care.